Hey guys, are you looking for a simple and effective way to stay clean on the go? Let me show you how to use this portable bidet, perfect for travel, postpartum care, and daily hygiene. First, let me show you how to use it. Just unscrew the bottom of the bottle and fill it with the water. Connect the main unit on top, stretch out the spray rod, and you are ready to go. Just press the power button to turn it on. It comes with two spray modes, a low pressure setting and for a gentle cleaning, and high pressure mode for a mode through wash. No need to squeeze anything, just hold and spray. This bidet is great for postpartum care after surgery or during your monthly cycles or just for staying fresh when you are out and about. I personally use it while camping and it made such a difference, especially when clean bathroom weren't available. It has a large water capacity, like you can fill it up to 550 ml, and just to charge it once and you can use it up to 70 times, and you can charge it with USB-C cable. No need to buy extra batteries. It is waterproof and it is easy to clean after each use. It is compact and lightweight. It fits easily in any bag. This portable bite is a real game changer for clean, comfortable hygiene anytime and anywhere.